Hi, my name is Derek Monk. I'm a product developer and founder of Kitchenventions. Over this past year, we've all been forced to stay at home more than we're used to. For many, that means cooking at home has become more of a normalcy. Prior to the pandemic, I had the pleasure of having dinner on a weekly basis at my grandmother's. Without my help, my grandmother has expressed her frustration and her inability to open stubborn jars and has had difficulty lifting her cast iron cookware. Her remarks struck curiosity in my mind. Is there a product in the market that helps to lift cumbersome cookware? So I pulled up Google, and to my surprise, there was nothing that could be found that addressed this issue. In fact, during my research, I discovered from various reviews and commentary on cooking forums that there were many people experiencing similar difficulties handling some of their cookware like the cast iron skillet. As a result, I began working on a freshly designed product that would allow someone cooking at home more leverage and control to handle a product such as a cast iron skillet. After a few different prototypes and testing multiple models, I finally came up with a solution of a design that is comfortable and easy to maneuver, which in turn has allowed my grandmother to do something she had never been able to do before: lift her cast iron skillet by herself with one hand. In the USA alone, approximately 10 million people have carpal tunnel syndrome and over 50 million people suffer from arthritis. Both of these conditions make up a large percentage of the population that as a result has difficulties handling heavy cookware. This product will be a lifesaver for the people affected by these conditions and many others that just find the traditional cast iron pans to be cumbersome. As one might say, this is not my first rodeo. Prior to this invention, I came up with another innovative kitchen product called the Spoon Buddy. The Spoon Buddy is a fully patented spoon rest that has a suction cup at the base, which allows it to be adhered to lids, countertops, and tables. This new product I will be launching will be the sister product to the Spoon Buddy and will be called the Pan Buddy.
Since having a boating accident 25 years ago, it's always been a challenge for me to lift anything heavy. And now that I am using the Pan Buddy, I can now use my favorite cast iron skillets again.
I need your help to bring the Pan Buddy to life. The final design is validated and we're now in the tooling process for manufacturing. This product will be made in the USA to the highest quality and standards. With your contribution, we can turn this decade-long issue into a solution that will help so many people when they're in the kitchen.